This is what the brown looks like. The place we went to park is so far.
Your tickets.
Yeah! Good evening. If you're following me on my channel and you watched my last video, then you know that we actually went to Transcorp. There's this lighting place that they have in Transcorp, I'll be at Transcorp, and so we went there on 31st, but we went a bit late, so we couldn't do anything. So they said we should come today for this stuff, so that's what we're going for. But first we're going to take something. Hubby actually got a cab, 2 cabs, so we're going to pick it up first, then we'll be heading to Transcorp. Cab that we actually came to pick. We actually came to pick a cab and then we got fuel. This is what the brown looks like. It's so pretty, it's so fine. I love the color. So this is what the blue looks like. Very, very fine, guys. They're so fine. I won't even lie. The place we went to park is so far because the crowd here is much. This COVID-19 protocol, the crowd is much. There's no space. We have to go very fast. See where we parked. This place, and what we're going to is so far. Can you see? I'm already tired and I'm carrying baby. I have to change because I have to give up a baby to carry. My legs are paining me. Then the baby carrier I have, somehow the baby carrier isn't working, so it's difficult to fix. We tried to fix it which day? On 31st. We tried to fix it. Baby wasn't comfortable in it, so guys, walk. So Sha, let us get inside that place. I will not fix it, Sha.
Wait, Tina, wait. Tickets.
Huh?
Your tickets.
You can make your request. You can request a song, or you can make a shout out. Check your back.
You did a great job, yes. Hey! Yeah! Hey! Come on! Hey!
Both of you will drive. Both of you drive. Both of you drive. Who said? Hello.
Our mommy there.
Chechi. They don't enjoy themselves. That, but we didn't see it like that now. We don't enjoy it. They don't enjoy themselves. Hey, Gina, you're not looking at me. They people will go build them for you. You will bounce yourself, Joy. Tie that thing well, like they bite rope. Yeah, I gotta stay in the queue again. Oh, tie that thing well, don't get a bite belt too. Abuji. Hey! See, you teach your children for this young age. You teach them for this kind of young age. This kind of thing. Tie that thing well, oh.
No, they will tie the rope. I think that when you are doing a job you won't get the job.
Careful. Did you like it? You like it? Enjoy yourself. Okay, don't worry, some other time, eh? Mona, I don't know Mona is so. No. She's with her father. Go ask him where Mona is. Yeah, Ify. Wait. I'm watching Ify. Wow, Ify has done it.
Banana, calm down.
He's done it. Ify, come down. Yeah.
Guys, so we're going out. We're actually going to Ibano. Really? This is too soft.
Yeah, it's like one use.
So we're actually going to Ibano to just get a few things. Everybody, just like, let's just go out, guys.
Are we wearing this face shield?
Yes. I just came here and saw Gina staring at her baby sis. Gina.
But she's opening her eyes.
You just want her to wake up so that, ow, pick that thing for me. Enter that at the baby. Just got back home now. I'm about to make dinner because we didn't eat before we left. We've not even eaten for a while. We ate breakfast a bit late, so I want to make my light is too bright. I want to make soup and gari. So let me do it sharp. So guys, I just finished taking care of everything, bathing the kids, yeah, just basically doing everything. I fed the baby is with her dad is making her sleep. The kids are in their room. I don't even know if they're sleeping right now, but guys, I'm so tired, guys. Like, I'm really exhausted. Hey God, it's not easy. Like, real talk, having 3 kids, no be beans. We always make it just, you know, be social media on and on and on and on, but it's not even a joke, like, seriously. But we don't have a choice, okay? We don't have a choice. We have to do it. Hey, oh God, okay. I'm actually looking for a living help that will be living with me, because the one I have that goes and comes, I don't think that's what I'm not cut out for that kind of package, because there's some things I want her to do that I always have to do myself. Really, I know it sounds lazy, but to some people, but for me, please, I don't want to come and keep. I cannot come and keep myself. I cannot be looking old when I can actually give somebody that same work and even pay the person to do it. So it's a win-win for both of us. Because there's this thing I noticed. It's a recent thing, because I've had 2 other kids and I didn't really notice it with my 2 other kids. I noticed that a lot of moms come out with babies that are less than 3 months. When I had Gina, if you did that, it was like a taboo. People stare at you like you're about to kill your child, you know. How dare you? How can you? But somehow these days I see people carrying their babies out, even to the market. I'm seeing a teeny tiny baby going to the market. I feel it's not right so much, because of the baby is still really tender. But I feel like people are now saying, oh boy, I can't just kill myself and not be doing any other thing. I cannot just be staying at home. I know people are saying that, right? When we even went to Central Park, we met this guy that was asking my friend, like, when we're going home, the guy was asking my friend how old is her baby, and she was like, she told the guy how old her baby was, and the guy was like, now wow, that's going to tell his wife, let them start going out. The wife has been so scared of bringing out their baby, but she's going to, and they don't go out because of that baby, don't do anything. That's going to tell his wife, you know. So these are like these are the things that I'm noticing recently that are changing. Before, hey, it was like we're the worst mom. So I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope you guys subscribe if you've not already. If you're watching this vlog and somehow you love me, you like my vibes, and somehow you've not subscribed, I don't know what I did to you. I said, what are you waiting for? Please, better, please go and subscribe. Click on the bell button to get you notified, so whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to get it. And don't forget to share. Very important. And also don't forget to comment and, you know, thumbs up if you actually enjoy my vlogs. If you feel like my vlogs are like real. People tell me your vlogs are very real, you're so real, but somehow I don't see people sharing my videos. So if you actually enjoy my vlogs, please click on the bell button to get you notified. Sorry, I just had to drink water because I was thirsty. And I love you guys for watching this vlog. Until my next vlog,